Hello, welcome to Newscast. Today, let's discuss the most important ecological aspect of our Indian subcontinent, that is the Himalayas. These are the youngest folded mountains on the earth. These Himalayas were formed several million years ago as a result of the convergence of the Indian Australian tectonic plate with Eurasian plate. It is noted that the convergence of the two tectonic plates continued till date, leading to rising of Himalayas by about 5 millimeters every year. These Himalayas can be divided into three divisions based on the latitudinal extent. These are Trans Himalayas, the Himalayan mountain ranges, and the Purvanchal. Based on the longitudinal extent, these are divided into Punjab Himalayas, Kumaon Himalayas, Nepal Himalayas, and Assam Himalayas. These Himalayas plays a significant role in our ecological, economical, and cultural aspect. These ranges significantly affect the climate of India. Owing to higher altitude, length, and direction, they effectively interrupt summer monsoon winds coming from Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea and trigger precipitation in the form of rain and snow. They also prevent cold winter winds from the Siberian region from entering India. These ranges have been protecting India from outside forces and intruders since ancient times. They are source of majority rivers which form footing in the North India. They host the base of a rich forest that provides fuel, food, and huge diversity of raw materials for the forest based industries. Some of the slopes have been terraced for agriculture. It is a source of many valuable minerals like copper, zinc, nickel, cobalt. A few months before, lithium was also found in these Himalayan regions. Due to presence of rugged topography and fast flowing rivers, these mountain ranges hold a huge potential for hydroelectricity projects. Due to these extreme powerful resources, they have been exploited and the rate of exploitation is increasing day by day. The main factors affecting are climate change, deforestation, pollution, and unregulated terrorism. Since these Himalayas are young, weak, flexible, and the Himalayan uplift is an ongoing process, make them one of the highest earthquake prone regions in the world. So, ensuring the sustainability of the Himalayas is not just crucial for the subcontinent but also for the ecological health of the entire planet. So, the central government has launched a scheme called a National Mission for Sustaining Himalayan Ecosystem. It was launched in 2010 but was formally approved by the government in 2014. It contributes to the sustainable development of the country by enhancing the understanding of climate changes, its likely impacts, and adaptation of actions required for the Himalayas. It is covered in 11 states and 2 union territories. Its main objective is to facilitate formulation of appropriate policy measures and time-bound action measure programs to sustain ecological resilience and ensure the continued provisions of key ecosystem services in the Himalayas. Its objective is to evolve suitable management and policy measures for sustaining and safeguarding the Himalayan ecosystem, along with developing capacities at the national level to continually access its health status. To address a variety of important issues, including studying the Himalayan glaciers and associate hydrological consequences and prediction and management of natural hazards. But are these guidelines really being followed? Till now, there are 88 large hydropower projects built and 26 projects under construction, and still 320 large projects are in the pipeline, according to Central Electricity Authority. Recently, these hydroelectrical projects have caused huge impact in the Himalayan region. In Uttarakhand, Joshimat region, nearly 800 buildings have developed cracks due to subsidence. In 2021, Ice avalanche destroyed the Rishi-Ganga project, leading to 200 dead and loss of or 1500 crore. In 2022, Uri landslide, where a hydropower plant is in the phase of the construction. The landslide dams usually result in impounding of lakes, outburst flood, affecting the environment and local communities. So, the steps to be taken to reduce impact are there is a dire need to evaluate these projects. Government should look at the new science and latest reports to decide on projects. Constitute an expert committee to study impact of hydroelectric power projects in the Himalayan region. For example, the Ravichokra committee set up by Ministry to examine the role of 24 such hydropower projects in the Alaknanda and Bhagirathi basin. So, let's uphold these suggestions and embrace our ecology for a sustainable future ahead. Thank you. Have a happy day.